So now today we will start the chapter number 4, the structure of the atom. In the chapter 3 we have learned that the atoms and molecules are the fundamental building blocks of the matter. It means matter is made up of the atoms and the various molecules combined together in the different proportion. The existence of the different kind of matter is due to the different atom constituting them. Now in this chapter we will be able to answer the questions that what make the atom of one element different from the atom of other element. That what is the difference between the atom of the sodium and the hydrogen and the carbon and the chlorine atoms, and are the atoms really indivisible as proposed by the Dalton? Because in the chapter 3 we have studied about the Dalton's atomic theory. We state that atom cannot be divided further, but in this chapter we will discuss about the major challenges before the scientists by the end of the 19th century, which was to reveal about the structure of atom, that what is the actual structure of atom and what kind of the particles the atom contain. So first of the indication that the atoms are not divisible come from study the static electricity, that is the condition under which electricity is conducted by different substances. Now what will happen when the various substances are rubbed together? They will conduct the electricity. Now we will see that how they will conduct the electricity. So we will start the topic that the charged particles in the matter are present. So for understand the nature of the charged particles in the matter, let us carry out the two small activities. We will comb the dry hair, and does the comb then attract the pieces of paper? We will see that that comb which is rubbed with the dry hair will now attract the small pieces of paper. This is due to the static electricity. Now we know that opposite charges attract each other. So as a result of the rubbing, it means the comb will acquire a particular charge which will attract the small pieces of paper. It means some sort of the charge must be present in the structure of the atom. So in this chapter we will reveal about that structures, smallest particles, and the various experiments carried out by the various scientists. Clear?